good. I saw pink light, like pink energy, very nice energy when I was doing that on Dennis. So yeah, and also like white, like it's a lot of energy coming from my hands too. So that
she having fun too. That's nice.
yeah. Yeah.
Anyway.
And I didn't feel tired at all. So it's a progress.
Anyways, good. Oh, maybe we will just ask Dennis how Dennis is feeling.
Above the head, kind of like a sunny day.
Sunny day.
Like the sun's coming out.
The sun's coming out.
And it's a little more penetrating though than sunlight. I can feel it going in. And then I definitely felt it more on the left side of my head and in the left eye. And the breathing slows down, the mind kind of quiets down. That's nice. And then maybe the last 5 minutes, it kind of felt like someone was using moxibustion sticks on my ears and on my nose, because I kind of felt the heat slowly threading its way in, so my sinuses are clearer. And and overall, I wasn't in a negative mood at all, but I mean, you definitely get more of a positive mindset after receiving the healing. So that's good.
That's a nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Jane, happy, yeah?
Yeah, very happy.
Yeah. But Jane was not intentionally trying to work on your sinus. It's your body actually decided to bring the energy to that area, really, just so you know, because, the body is connected all around, right? But I can definitely see your left eye energy has changed. I noticed, I just look at him. I already know Jane did something by just looking at him. So beautiful. So we're gonna have Carol. Carol, how do you like yourself doing the session?
Well, I thought it was pretty amazing for just that. I mean, the whole thing of going through the course and then coming to this point of working with somebody, and I really enjoyed it.
Hi, our dear Brenda. How do you feel?
Hi, I feel okay. At the beginning of the session with Carol, when you're collecting chi and you feel the chi bubble and the tension and the pressure, I felt that all around. And then that alleviated. And then inside my throat area, I felt like this back and forth energy going on, and my neck felt elongated.
That's funny.
And then, you're sitting in the chi for a while, and it's just a nice way to be still. It's a really nice way to find stillness in the day. And I was able to clear my throat a few times.
Thank you. So the session is not that it's very long, but then it gives people a taste that something has happened, and there's a value to think about. Maybe we can enjoy some chi balancing work from some of our graduates, right?
Involves using exercises to optimize energy within the body, mind, and spirit, with the goal of improving and maintaining health and well-being. Studies have found that Qigong could reduce symptoms of depression. In this study, those who practiced Qigong also experienced a way to heal your inner body naturally. Issues. Imagine being able to build your life force. What if you could improve your blood circulation, digestive system? What if you could improve yourself, increase your longevity, have a natural way to solve menopause and even your eyesight? Well, now you can. Master Teresa Young has been a teacher of Qigong, which is a part of traditional Chinese medicine. She is a 3-time international best-selling author, trainer, and practitioner. She has been